The genocide of indigenous peoples in Brazil began with the Portuguese colonization of the Americas when Pedro Álvares Cabral made landfall in what is now the country of Brazil in 1500. This started the process that led to the depopulation of the indigenous peoples in Brazil because of disease and violent treatment by European settlers and their gradual replacement with colonists from Europe and enslaved peoples from Africa. This process has been described as a genocide and continues into the modern era with the ongoing destruction of indigenous peoples of the Amazonian region. Over 80 indigenous tribes were destroyed between 1900 and 1957, and the overall indigenous population declined by over 80%, from over 1 million to around 200,000. The 1988 Brazilian constitution recognizes indigenous peoples' right to pursue their traditional ways of life and to the permanent and exclusive possession of their traditional lands, which are demarcated as indigenous territories. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.